Everyone selling digital products tells you the same thing. Build your audience first, grow your following, post every day, and then launch, and that's a terrible advice. Building an audience takes 6 to 12 months, minimum. Most people lose motivation long before they see a single sale, and here's what nobody talks about. You don't need your own audience. You need to get in front of audiences that already exist. That's the whole shift. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. Think about how a bakery opens. They don't spend 6 months building a following on Instagram before unlocking the door. They just open the door and they put a sign out and they tell people nearby. But here's what happens to most people. They create a product, they upload it, they share it once on their personal Instagram, they get 2 sales, both from their mom, and then they conclude that digital products don't work. They don't work. The product wasn't the problem. The distribution was. Now listen, before you make anything at all, do this first. Go to Reddit, go to Facebook groups, niche forums, search for the problem your product would solve. Just to read. What questions keep coming up? What do people say they're struggling with? That's your product brief, written by your future customers. And then validate before you build. Find 3 to 5 people in your niche, send a genuine message, not a pitch. Something like, hey, I'm thinking about putting together something on a certain topic. What would actually be useful to you? If 3 people say yes, without hesitation, green light. If people shrug, change the idea before you waste time building it. 0 money, 0 followers, just a willingness to talk to people. Step 2, the product itself. Well, keep it simple. You don't need a 200-page book. You need something that solves one specific problem as fast as possible. A 13-page guide that solves the exact right problem beats a 200-page book every time. People don't pay for volume. They just pay to solve their problem fast. So it's not how to get fit. It's how to lose weight after having kids without going to the gym. It's not how to get clients. It's how photographers can book 3 extra sessions a month with 1 outreach method. The person reading that title should immediately think, oh, that's for me. 1 problem, 1 person, 1 outcome. That's what sells. And of course, you can make everything with AI. The next step is how to get your first sales. By the way, this is not going to be a video where I show you how to make a product. If you want that kind of a video, just write me down in the comments and I'll make it. But once you have the product, now what? Now these are 4 channels that work with 0 following and no ads needed. Channel 1 is communities where your buyer already lives. Reddit, Facebook groups, Discord, niche forums, full of people asking questions every single day. Questions you know the answer to. Don't post your product link that gets you banned. Show up and just genuinely help people. Answer questions. Be the most useful person in the room. When someone asks a question your product directly solves, that's a sale waiting to happen. Answer helpfully. Mention you put together a full guide on it. Drop the link naturally. One creator made $24,000 from digital products with no following doing exactly this. No email list, no social media presence, just consistently being useful in the right communities. Channel 2 is platforms with built-in search. Medium, Pinterest, Quora. These have massive authority on Google. Someone searches their problem, finds your article, gets real value, clicks through, and buys. On Medium, you don't need followers to get read. Write about the exact problem your product solves and be helpful. Just be helpful and your product link at the end. And that article works for you months, maybe a year after you publish it. Channel 3, just tell people directly. This sounds obvious. Most people are too proud to do it though. Post about what you're building on your personal accounts. Message people who might want it or know someone who does. Word of mouth costs nothing. It's real, honestly. Don't skip it because it feels small. Channel 4, affiliate partners. Find creators in your niche with small but engaged followings. Offer them 40 or 50% of the sale just to share your product. That's it. They will earn without creating anything except the content, and you get sales from their followers. But of course, it takes work. Reach out to people. A lot of people will say no. A lot of people will ignore you, but that's just a part of it. You know, you just have to take baby steps. Speak to people. Now, honest numbers. Weeks 1 and 2, actively working the channels above. Just expect 3 to 8 sales. Not from luck, just from showing up in the right places. Weeks 3 and 4, things slow down, and that's normal. Your initial outreach dries up. You have to build something more consistent. Week 5 to 8, this is where you find out if the product resonates. 1 to 2 sales a week consistently, you're on track. 0, the product might fit a different customer than you assumed. then you have to adjust. Now let's talk about some realistic range for the earnings. For month one, with genuine effort, it's going to be from $50 to $300. Consistent sellers working one channel properly reach $500 to $1,000 a month, but that takes months, not weeks. Forget about getting rich quick. And it requires actually showing up, not just uploading and waiting. 10 sales won't make you rich, but 10 sales from strangers proves that the product works. That's all you need to keep going. That's all you need to, get that momentum, to get motivation. When I got my first 100 subs on YouTube, it just gave me more motivation to show up. But until those first 100, it was a mess. And now you build the audience, all right? Now you come to the audience building thing. The no audience tactics get you started, but they have a ceiling. Showing up in communities every week is active work, and it doesn't scale by itself. Once you know the product works, you build a thing that makes it consistent. Your own audience. One you own. One that doesn't vanish when the algorithm shifts. Algorithm changes wiped out significant reach for 40% of creators in 2025. The ones who kept their income had one thing in common: an email list. Email list. That's the priority. Please, 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 please start building it from day one. Offer something for free. A checklist. A short guide. In exchange just for an email address. Every person who buys from you goes on that list. Email converts 40 times better than social media, and nobody can take it away from you. It's a gold mine, really is. And then pick one content platform. Just one. Don't spread yourself across everything. YouTube is best for long-term play. For digital products, videos show up in Google results. They drive traffic for years after you post them. A single video about the problem your product solves works for you every day without any extra effort. You're also building trust. People who watch you for 10 minutes are far more likely to buy than someone who saw a tweet. If video isn't for you, written content on Medium or a newsletter does the same job. TikTok grows fastest, but it's just bad. I hate TikTok. Maybe you can use it to funnel people onto your email list, not as your foundation. But the pattern is simple. Content brings people in. Email keeps them there, and product converts them. It takes months to build, gotta be honest. But once it's running, it compounds quietly in the background. Every piece of content feeds it. Every email drives sales. You don't need an audience to make your first sales. You need to find the rooms where your buyers already are and show up in them. Get the first sales. Prove it works. Prove it to yourself. And then build the machine that makes it consistent. Most people skip step one because they're waiting to feel ready. They want the audience first. They want the perfect product, the right moment. There is no right moment. There's just doing it. The first sale is the hardest one, but after that, it's real. It works. And then you just keep going. Wish you good luck, my friend.